Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll show you how to make realistic edge glue texture in Blender. Delete everything, go to add menu and from mesh select UV sphere. Go to modifier and from generate select subdivision surface. Increase the label view parts to 2, then press apply. Right click on the sphere and select shade smooth. Go to material and press new. Now select shading workspace and change the viewport to shading rendered. Render engine, change it to cycles. Create the principal PSDF. Press F3 and search for mix shader. Add it and connect shader to surface. Press F3 again and search for emission. Add it and connect emission to shader. Press F3 and search for brightness contrast. Connect color to color and change the brightness value to 1 and the contrast value to 1 too. Now press F3 and search for transparent BSDF. Connect BSDF to shader and at last press F3 and search for layer weight. Connect Fresnel to the factor. Change the value of blend to 0.045. Add translucence BSDF. Change the color to be blue or any color as you want. And here it is. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.